Oh god, that's just gonna make me puke.
It's down my nose.
I don't want to drink pop, so I can't do that.
I don't either. We got.
Burp.
It's gonna just be.
Oh.
Oh,
You Ralph.
if you hold this down, I think you said. I think you said.
In your mouth, maybe.
Who's barking?
These bricks are fucked up.
You guys are burping like nobody's business. I have
No bananas.
grease rice.
2 bananas?
I wonder if the whole thing is you. Oh shit! Thank God it's cold.
So usually every video I saw was just people starting to chug and Sprite and it's all. We're gonna get that wrong burp.
It's because you eat competitively with yourself.
I wonder if you have to chug it out of the bottle.
With a bigger dick too. He's getting ready to.
Seconds.
How many Sprites do you have to drink?
Chaz looks like he's ready. He's gonna puke him. Oh, that was almost it.
You just have to do some exercises. My hand, I can't even get.
Just gotta keep you all down.
Take a shit.
Like I'm in the Willy Wonka movie.
I'll even.
Nice.
Feels so much better. I think he's such a dragon. There he goes! Almost.
All right, I'm a champ. I'm a banana. Gigabyte carb. Oh God. Oh my God. All right, more questions. If I puke, it's not going to be because of web development. Now I'm pretty much exclusively Mac. I have nothing to say about PCs besides they work well. Colorado. It's also been legalized in Washington. I think.
Space rocks.
You're grown up yet or not? Because I haven't. Someday. You're like that. 3 bananas. Here is more than a liter of. Your ice cube here that the puppy grabbed as soon as it fell out of, including the dog. What are you doing? No Shave November? Does I think it's gonna be. All right, I got. You ever watch a movie that you? Who inspires me? Successful. Oh, okay, Sprite. They compete against other YouTubers. Oh God. Drinking Sprite problem. But I also believe that we are full of energy. In one moment. I've never made a penny on that. Oh, and that's not true. I kind of just stuck with that. Because I can handle this. You see that? Oh, God. Yeti Scott, if you... Okay. But, well, in Orlando, I was a store director.